All right, we're at this garage. 700 Locust. This is 700. Oh, they're glass. This is cool. Okay. These used to be Westinghouse. P7. Cool. We got a view. Oh, that's funny.
Parking 7.
That's funny. They just paint the number onto the wall. Oh, I like the little food court button. That's not. That's cool. Say that's not cool. Very dark in there.
Lower.
This looks familiar. I think I might have parked here before. What the hell? Okay. Okay, guess we're not getting out there. Let's go to Skid.
Yay.
Oh, that's big and empty. Anyway, yeah, I think I did park here